Josh Johnson with Sterling Equipment Repair in Cottonwood, Minnesota. Behind me, you can see Manitou's latest articulated telescopic loader, the MLA-T 533-145V+. What those mean is it's a Manitou loader, articulated, telescopic. It has 5 meters of boom reach, or 17 feet, and 3.3 metric tons of capacity, which is 7,000 pounds of rated capacity, but it has a static straight tipping load of nearly 11,000 pounds. The 143 horsepower engine is a Deutz, and it has Manitou's invariable plus transmission, which is a CVT, continuously variable transmission, that gives this machine immense power and allows the operator to use the full range of the machine in speed and in power without having to shift through any gears. This machine shares a lot of commonality with the MLT line of telehandlers, and it is a fully ground engaging machine built for the agriculture industry here in the U.S. Manitou has equipped this machine with the ground engaging C-shaped boom design with one weld running down each side, versus pick and place machines that have a box boom design with one weld on each corner. Additionally, Manitou has put their extend and retract cylinder inside of the boom on this machine. Rather than some competitive models which run that on top of the boom, it restricts operator vision and it exposes that cylinder to falling object, bales, or whatever might be coming down. On the boom tip of this machine, Manitou has put plenty of metal into here, and they've equipped it with a tilt cylinder that's very robust. With the load sensing pump and the hydraulics on this machine, this has 15,000 pounds of curling breakout force. The quick coupler design is a Manitou tried and true, very reliable in the MLT range, and with the 41 gallons per minute of auxiliary flow to the couplers along with the Easy Connect coupler system, you'll be able to run all of your attachments with ease on the MLA. Two things to note on the articulation joint of the MLA-533. First is the easy access to grease zerks that Manitou gives us while for doing routine maintenance. A bank here, as well as the other zerks being easy to get to. The second thing is that Manitou has used a 2-pin design rather than a single point design in their joint. This makes the joint more rigid than a single point and keeps the machine from flexing inside of the joint, which makes better use of the ballast. Now, the machine has to oscillate at some point. The front axle is rigid, but the rear axle on this machine oscillates to allow this machine to go over undulating terrain. The engine you can see here is a Tier 4 143 horsepower Deutz engine, and this machine is a 4-cylinder with 405 foot-pounds of torque. Accessibility of the engine, as you can see here, fuel filters are easy to get to. The hydraulic reservoir is on this side with a filter here and the fill there, and a dial that you can't see that sits right here so that you can easily check your fluid level. The engine oil dipstick is located here, and to change the engine oil, there's a panel that drops out underneath the machine that gives you access to your drain plug and to your oil filter. On this side of the machine, you can see the 2.64 gallon DEF tank, 40 gallon diesel tank, which is a big plus with this machine, easy access to the air filter, the battery, and a battery disconnect switch that's located right here, easy to reach. Manitou has equipped the MLA-533 with a FOPS Level 2 cab that you can enter from either direction. The JSM and controls flip up if you want to come in from the right side of the machine after you take a seat as an operator. Then your armrest folds down and you're ready to go. This armrest adjusts up or forward, as well as the air right seat having adjustments that go forward and to the back, and a telescoping and adjusting up and down steering wheel. The Manitou JSM is on this machine with the same controls as you'd find in an MLT, your forward and reversing button on top, and your auxiliaries and boom in and out controlled by buttons on the left side. An emergency stop button and a hand throttle. This machine has continuous flow hydraulics that can be equipped using this button here, and a control pad here that allows you to use the ride control, boom lockout, easy connect system, and the intelligent hydraulic functions, which include boom shaker and quick lift functions. There is a panel here to control auxiliary flow speeds, as well as a speed limiter and settings for using the machine in fork or dynamic mode. A temperature setting screen for your air conditioning is located to the right, as well as an eco mode button for running this machine with reduced fuel consumption. Manitou has also equipped this cab with a temperature controlled compartment to the left of the operator that allows you to vent air from the air conditioning system to help keep your lunch cool. Overall, it's a very nice cab, and there's a nice display screen past the steering wheel for the operator to use. The radio is mounted up and to the right, as well as the light control functions, and it also comes with a holder for your phone and an equipped microphone for taking calls in the cab. Thanks for watching our video today on the MLA-533. If you've got any questions or you'd like to take a look at one of these machines, go ahead and come see us here at Cottonwood at Sterling Equipment, or contact your local dealer and check one of these machines out today.